How to change reason on WeChat. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and let's learn to change WeChat location. Without further ado, let's begin. First of all, you need to navigate to WeChat application and launch it. Afterwards, make sure you are on the main page. So once you are here, select the Me button at bottom right corner of your screen. Now select Setting from this page. Here you need to tap on Profile at top of your screen. Then you will reach the profile section. Here you will get multiple options. You need to choose reason, which is on the fourth option. Here you can easily get the list of all the reasons available on WeChat. So you can easily scroll down and look for the reason where you reside. And then you can easily tap on that particular reason. And with that, you have successfully changed your reason on WeChat. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.